cool, someone from Israel.
Well, Carlos, while me and Kelsey's mom supports Palestine, she felt real bad for the people of Israel, so Carlos Solomon, welcome to the Cats of War. Tim, show Carlos where the hero uniforms are for the boys.
Okay, gang, now we have two monster kids join the team.
Whoa, a werewolf.
Hi, my name is Howler. I come from Transylvania, and I am from the wolf family.
Cuz, how are you not shocked by this?
Because Cuss, in Crowtoon Productions Incorporated's channel, he actually made some Halloween OCs.
I guess that makes sense.
And I can howl like a wolf.
Wow, impressive.
Well, Howler, as the first monster kid on our team, we welcome you.
Well done, Haller. I know you would be a cat of our member.
Yeah, Haller, I knew you could do it.
Benny, show Howler the uniforms for the boys.
Okay guys, here is the last member.
Hi everyone, my name is Sliviana. I am the granddaughter of Mavis and Johnny.
Wow, a vampire.
But, don't vampires hate the sun?
They do, but since I have human genes I can stay in the sun but not for too long.
I guess that makes sense.
Well, Slivy, seeing as you are the last person to join our team, welcome to the Cats of War. I will take you to get your uniform.